Alright guys, this is my 1993 Chevy Blazer here. Alright guys, this is my 1993 Chevy Blazer. So I want to start off this just explaining the truck. I'm going to explain how I got the truck and everything. So the way I got the truck was actually through my grandfather. My grandfather, this was his work truck originally. I can see from all the stains here. This was his work truck. He gave it to my dad like 3 years ago for us to work on because he didn't want it anymore. He just wanted a new truck. So he gave us this, and this became a project for me and him. It wasn't running fully right, but turned out to only be a spark plug that was wrong with it. But he gave it to us. What we've done to it, we've replaced the bumpers, we've replaced the grill, we replaced the tail lights on we replaced the headlights, we replaced a lot of things in this truck. It wasn't too expensive. And also, the other thing is, the cool thing part of the truck was that it was mechanically sound. Like, there's nothing really wrong with the mechanical. The only mechanical issue we ever had with the truck probably was the intake manifold had a little small coolant leak that was coming out and leaking out onto the motor. Well, thank God it wasn't going into the oil or anything, so it didn't go into the valley pan. So, other than that, though, the truck was a soundproof truck. After we fixed the mist in it, which, like I said before, it was from a spark plug that was just too loose, and he didn't realize it. My grandfather was a mechanic, but he didn't really care about the truck too much. He didn't really care for it, so it was more like it's just a work truck, and he didn't care. So after the video, I've driven it for many years. My dad gave it to me actually not a year or two ago. I've been driving it more. I've used it more than him. We also got that truck, which we rebuilt completely. So actually no, we got that truck that we built the motor completely, besides the pistons and all that, but we did all the work on the heads and all that stuff. But other than that, he gave me this truck because he had that truck, and I need a truck for my car for winter time, for when it snows on the ground. So for this truck, actually, for this channel, what I want to do is I want to do a whole rebuild on it. I want this truck to be for going off onto the beaches, like, go to the beach, hang out on the beach, have a truck to go rolling on the sand with, not getting stuck, go out in the woods. I don't know if I'm gonna build it to get beat on too much or not, but I don't know. I want a truck where I can just go off-roading, go onto the beach and everything. I feel like the truck would be a perfect thing for that. My dad, for me to kind of give me this truck here. But the only thing about that truck is it's like, I don't know, I kind of like a little old-fashioned. Like, this truck is like one of the last full-on Blazers that came out. So I don't know. To me, I like the wide body of it. The wide body of the whole truck is really nice. And I don't know, I wouldn't want to replace it for anything. So then you guys know a little backstory of the truck from my grandfather and stuff. And then my dad gave it to me. I want to do I'm gonna do like a semi-rebuild process on the truck. I want to just get this truck back up into its I want to get this truck back up to its original shape, fix the dents in it, get rid of the dents. I gotta fix a frame up over here. She has a hole right here. It's not a bad hole. There was a thing here that was it was a tubular step bar to get up in the truck, and it broke off, and so where I sat in the broken part and rotted this part of the frame out. So not too bad at all. Another thing is that just broke like a month or two ago with a brake line over here. I just gotta replace the brake line, and that's really it. That's not too hard. I'm gonna actually go get the pipe tonight for that. Another thing is the power steering pump, which I actually do have, and that'll be in the next video of me working on this truck. Is the power steering pump. The power steering pump finally went. Two things about it. One, the power steering line blew. Two, the power steering pump just went bad for this is going bad. So now I gotta replace both. So I'm gonna put the power steering pump in. I think after I'm gonna make a separate video on that. Oh, I've also replaced the alternator too. That was the last thing that went on it. Other than that, maybe just get the thing painted up nicely. Get it painted. Maybe get a new hood. If not, I'll just sand this hood down and repaint this. We gotta repaint the roof, sand it down and repaint the roof. Can't tell there's surface rust on top of there. I don't know if the camera's showing it or not. Now the interior, I really don't mind it being the way it is. You know, maybe a little spruce it up a little bit, clean it up a lot. But other than that, I really don't. The interior, I kind of like it just being like a dirty look, because, you know, I don't want to be. It can't be a clean truck. Cause like the, what I want the truck for, is to actually go onto the beach. You know, drive onto the beach, drive off-roading and stuff like that. So there's gonna be mud, dirt, and sand getting in here. So I'm not too crazy about getting in here all set up, but we'll do a little bit cleaning up in here. Another thing I've actually installed in this truck was a light bar. She's right up here. So the light bar we got for free. I forgot how we got for free. Somehow, some way we got it for free, and I don't know why we got it for free. I don't remember, but we got it for free. Also, maybe for like a future channel wise, like maybe after we grow a little bit, I really would love to do a blower on this truck. Like, I don't know, something about a small Chevy motor, just throw a nice blower on it with like a Holley carburetor, like mechanical carburetor, or do like just one of those EF5 carburetors on a blower. This seems like pretty cool. Or even just do like a twin turbo setup, like 2 turbos sitting like right here, and right here, or just one back there and one right here, probably like right here and right here. I think that would be pretty cool. So I think that would be pretty cool to do to this truck. I definitely want to get rid of the original factory EFI system on it. I just want a little bit of control of tuning the computer on it. So, and another thing I want to do this truck is also get maybe a lift kit, like 6-inch lift kit with some like nice big giant wheels on it. I don't know, like 35 maybe. I don't know. I don't know if that's too big or not for this, but I want to get a nice big tire with wagon wheels, wagon rims. So I think that'd be a pretty cool thing to do with this truck. Like maybe get one of those lift kits that have like the leaf spring, and then we'll also have a block in it. You know, get it up there a little bit. I think that'd be pretty cool for an off-road vehicle, and also for just going on the beach. I think it'll look pretty cool. So I also want to do that. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much like the quick basis of what I want to do this truck. That's pretty much all I really want to do this truck. I just want a nice simple truck that looks cool, has power, and yeah, just I don't know, something cool to go to the beach with and also go off-roading with. You know, I don't want to beat the thing up, but I really want something just I can actually just go to the beach with, take it, or drive down to like Florida with it, reliable and everything. But honestly, I would drive to Florida with this truck, but don't know if I'll make it there or not. But yeah, it's like 360,000 miles on it, so pretty wear and tear motor and transmission. So no, but I believe in good old Blackie. That's also her name, Blackie. I named her Blackie because it's a black truck, so it's Blackie. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below. Comment down below what you guys think I should do this truck. What you guys have opinions about, like doing like the blower, the Pro Charger, or like I don't know about Pro Charger, but turbocharger. And I don't know anything about the truck that you guys think would be cool to do. But other than that, guys, please leave a like down below, comment down below, go click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.